Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. Before doing AC service, you should turn on AC and check it properly, then you start servicing AC. First we will open its front cover and take out the filter net. Unscrew the two front screws. After that we will remove the swing strip with light hands. Keep in mind that the swing strip is very delicate. Now we will open all the three locks of AC and the screws inside it. Now open its wiring cover. Open the connector of the display wire. Now take out the cover by lifting the cover lock from above. This cover will come out very easily. Cover the PCB well with polythene so that water does not enter the PCB and motor. After that you put the washing cover in the AC. Now start your jet pump pressure washer with blower and clean thoroughly till all the dirt is gone. Now start cleaning the cooling coil with jet pump pressure. Pay attention to the pressure. More pressure can damage your cooling coil. You must get your AC serviced with a jet pump. This will make your AC work well and your AC will work like a new AC and your electricity bill will also come down. With the pressure of the jet pump, we wash all the accessories of the AC. The pressure of the jet pump is very high, due to which the cover is easily cleaned. If you want, you can wash it by rubbing it with a brush. Make sure to clean the outdoor unit of AC. Dust is not visible in it, but dust is accumulated. If your AC is not cooling, then clean the outdoor unit of AC with jet pressure. Keep in mind that water should not enter your outdoor fan motor. Now wipe all the plastic covers with a dry cotton cloth, making sure that the water in the AC cover dries up completely. Now you will see that as I had opened the cover, now we will apply the cover step by step. The lock snaps in place when the cover is pressed from above. Tighten all cover screws. Also install AC swing bar and filter neck. Attach the front cover and display of AC, and also attach the wire connector of the display. If you have understood the information given by me, then definitely like my video.